Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Tuesday's art class. We are here today, and I told you last week we were going to start putting some color into our paintings. And this is the painting. This was used with gouache paint. I used the colors blue, pink, mandarin. I made my own colors too, custom paints. Of course, skin tone, uh, tricolor for the trees, clouds, two colors, blue, white, gouache. For the tree, we have gouache as well, brown and mint green. And then her lotus flower in the middle, I mixed purple, pink, green, orange, and yellow. And then, of course, a little blue gouache for her eyes. Her hair, oh, I love how her hair came out. And remember, you guys, when you use the gouache, it does leave like it's really wet, so it might take 24 hours to actually completely dry to get the finished color. So when I first did it, everything, all the colors were a lot darker. So as it dried, the final picture, this is how it looks. So I'm gonna be showing some clips of before and after for this painting. Thank you guys for joining today's class. Have a blessed day, and we walk by faith, not by sight. Bye bye.